Namaskar and good morning to everybody. I am Professor Sunil Agarwal, inventor of the color therapy. How to use colors for the treatment. How you can change metabolic system of the body with the help of the colors, or you can change the system of your organs or your body systems. Everything can be changed by the color therapy. Colors are a divine power. Colors are a divine power. As you know, cosmic energy is a very great power. It can do anything in the human body. It can do anything in the nature. Same thing happen with the help of the colors. We can do with the colors, we can change the energy of the body. Once we are able to change the energy of the body, we are able to cure the diseases. That is due to malfunction of the energy, there is a disease. If we can handle the negative energy, replace the negative energy with the help of the positive energy or with the help of the color, the mankind is disease free. So today I am going to, in this contest, today I am going to discuss about the cell. What is cell? Cell is nothing but a building material for the human body. Like we are building a huge construction, we are building the house, we are building a huge building. Everywhere you are using cement, bricks, iron rods, and so many other things. Likewise, our human body is made of the cells. Human body is made of the cells. How the cells get their diet? How the cells get repair itself? It is a $1,000,000 question, because our cells get repaired every moment, every second. What we are eating, what we are thinking, what we are inhaling, what we are exhaling, immediately our cells get activated or damaged. ये ऑलरेडी क्लियर हो गया कि सेल जो है हमारे शरीर को शक्ल देते हैं. अगर हमारे सेल्स अच्छे हैं, हमारी बॉडी की शेप अच्छी होगी, स्किन के ऊपर ग्लो होगी, आपकी सेक्सुअल पावर अच्छी होगी, मेंटल लेवल अच्छा होगा, डिसीजन पावर अच्छी होगी, और आपका कंसंट्रेशन अच्छा होगा. हर चीज़ अच्छी होगी इफ़ योर सेल्स आर हेल्दी. और सेल्स हमारे कहाँ से न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं? सेल को डाइट कहाँ से मिलती है? जो सेल की डाइट है, जो हमारा इनटेक है, वही सेल की डाइट है. अगर हम अच्छा खाना खाएंगे, हेल्दी खाना खाएंगे, बॉडी फ्रेंडली खाना खाएंगे, तो हमारे सेल्स हेल्दी बनेंगे. अगर हम खराब खाना खाएंगे विच इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर द सेल्स, तो हमारे सेल जो है वो डैमेज होंगे. तो इस तरह से सेल के लिए आपको हमेशा अपने बॉडी के ऊपर, खाने पीने के ऊपर, रहन सहन के ऊपर, एंड स्टाइल ऑफ लिविंग, स्टाइल ऑफ थिंकिंग, स्टाइल ऑफ बिहेविंग, एंड there are so many things related with the cells, because cell is related with your DNA also. Cell is related also your DNA, and there are so many things which cell is controlling. So one important thing I have told you, cell is taking their diet from whatever is our intake. If our intake is healthy, cell will be healthy. If our intake is bad, cell will be bad. And what is the use of the cell? Cell is converting the diet, whichever the cell has adopted, it convert to the energy. Cell is giving the energy. If cell are healthy, our body will be healthy. Cell has many parts. Cell has many parts. Just for example, I will say stem cells, which help us to maintain our body in in a healthy condition. Cartilage, it's a very common word, cartilage. Everybody are using. Your knee joint cartilage are damaged. Your elbow joint cartilage is damaged. These are the cells which are making a membrane around the joints, or we can call it the synovial fluid is a different thing, but it also related with the membranes or cartilage. If our cartilage are good, we can do running, we can do walking, our joints will be healthy. Muscle cells, these are the muscle in the body which get the signal from the brain how to do the work, not to do the work, or do the work, or do the work in such a manner. It is all coming from the brain, sensory organ and sensory system. The nerve goes to the muscles and muscles start working according to the direction of the brain. Now come to the sex cell. This sex cell is also developed what we are eating. If we are eating such a things which is boosting our sexual life, then it will be activated and our sex will be increased. If we are taking a vegetarian diet, simple diet, then the change of the cell, the shape of the cell will be like this only. Why cell damage? It's a very important question. Why such cells damage? Cells damage due to external problems. If we are eating wrong things, cell will be damaged. If we are going in an adverse weather, cell will be damaged, or physical chemical infection. If there is any type of infection in the body, whether it may be physical, it may be chemical, our cell will be affected. Or biological changes or chemical changes. In both the cases, the cell will be damaged. So most important thing is the cell is the only thing which is in our control. We can make the cell better or we can destroy the cell. The cell is such a thing which doesn't receive any chemicals. It is purely vegetarian. Cell is purely vegetarian and it receives the energy or its diet, whatever is our intake. If we are treating too much of chemicals, medicine that we are taking, it is not a diet of the cell. It's a waste for the cell. If we are treating vegetarian diets, natural diets, it is a diet of the cell. It will be absorbed by the cells and it will repair the body, maintain the body. And one more important thing is there. Liver is the controller of the purity and the impurity in relation with the cells. You must have heard, medicine cannot treat a disease. Medicine cannot cure a disease. It can just control the disease. But if you are taking Ayurvedic medicine, herbal drugs, or you are controlling your diet better, then the diet extract directly goes to the cell, because cell is absorbing the herbal things, natural things, not chemical. Not a single chemical is absorbed by the cells. Once cell is not absorbing the medicine, so how you expect you may be healthy? You can fight the disease. Your disease can be cured. It can temporarily be controlled, but it cannot be cured. Now, very important thing, why we say if you are a cancer patient, what is the problem in the body? Because cancer is the damage of the cell. There are two types of cell. One is healthy cell, one is the bad cells. Now in your body, your immune system, your energy has become weak. your in energy has become weak. Energy is the Atma. Your Atma is kamjor. So everybody will attack on you. If your Atma is strong, your in energy is strong, nobody can attack you. Rishi Munis, those who are lying in the caves for 1,000 years, their Atma was so strong. They can heal everything. They can determine anything. They can take process of anything. Their thought process was so strong. By sitting in a cave, they can see in the all over the world. They can see in the Brahmand, or they can see in the cosmos what is going over there. It is just due to your cells are healthy. Now I was talking about the cancer. Cancer is a fight between the healthy cell and the bad cells. In the cancer stage, your body has developed bad cells in excess quantity. So that bad cells are killing your good cells also. So that's why if you want to treat the cancer, you must go for vegetarian diets, healthy diets, fruit-based diet, or diet which are absorbable in the cells. Cells-friendly diet only you can take. That diet will make your cell healthy. Automatically, your healthy cells will fight with the bad cells. When the bad cell is dominated, healthy cell is raised, your problem is solved. So this is the basic concept of the cell. Now, in my Agarwal energy concept and color therapy, what I am doing, because these colors are a divine power. Color are a divine power. There are few organs, those friendly colors. Liver has a friendly color with the green. Large intestine, small intestine, friendly color is brown. Stomach, spleen, friendly color is yellow. If you are giving yellow type of energy, yellow type of food to the stomach and spleen, your body will be healthy, your cells will be healthy. If you are giving a wind nature fruits or the fruit which is dominating the yellow color, then your stomach and spleen will be injured. Likewise, there are the Agarwal energy concept is just working on these principles. How to develop the healthy cells in the body, or make the cells to accept the diet whichever you are taking. So if you are taking the lot of fruits, lot of green vegetable, lot of oxygenated rich blood, everything is good, favorable for the cells. If your cells are good, your body is good, there will be no disease, your mental level will be high. And if you are eating the chemicals which liver is not allowing to pass on to the cells, any chemical liver will never allow to go to the cell. If cell is not getting any proper diet, your body will be weak. The immune system will be poor. Just to improve the metabolic system of the body or healthy cells in the body, we must eat the things which are friendly diet of the cells. Okay, thank you so much. Please do share my videos, like my videos, and put your comments also. It will help me also. Thank you so much.